In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wpforms to Gmail easily. Let's dive right in and get started on setting everything up smoothly and efficiently. Firstly, you'll want to ensure that you have the WP-Mail SMTP plugin installed in your WordPress setup. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard and find the section labeled Plugins. Once you're there, click on Add New. This is where you'll be searching for the ever-helpful WP-Mail SMTP. In the search bar, type in WP-Mail SMTP, and you should see it popping up almost instantly. When you find it, go ahead and click on Install Now. The process typically takes just a moment, and once it's finished, make sure to click Activate to enable the plugin for use. With the plugin ready and running, the next step involves entering some key settings to configure it correctly. Navigate to WP-Mail SMTP and then to Settings. Here, you'll find the crucial Mailer section. In this section, you'll want to select Google/Gmail from the available options. This choice is what connects the plugin to your Gmail account. Now, you'll need to set your From Name and From Email. These are what recipients will see when they receive emails from you. It's best practice to use your Gmail address for the From Email setting to maintain consistency and ensure that your emails are properly authenticated. Once you've configured these primary details, it's time to authenticate with your Google account. Make sure you click Save Settings to secure any changes you've made. You'll see an option that allows the plugin to send emails using your Google account. Click this to move forward. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. This step is necessary to grant the permissions needed for the plugin to access your Gmail account. Don't worry. This process is secure and is essential for ensuring everything can communicate seamlessly. Go ahead and provide the needed permissions. Now that authentication is complete, it's essential to ensure everything is working as intended. WP-Mail SMTP conveniently includes a built-in test feature to verify this. After you've granted access, the plugin will attempt to send a test email on your behalf. This is a critical step because it confirms that your setup is functioning properly, ensuring that emails will be sent out without a hitch. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Wpforms to Gmail. With these steps completed, your WordPress site should be capable of sending emails smoothly using your Gmail account. If you encounter any issues, double-check every step to ensure all the configurations are accurate. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.